Hello everyone, I am Kishore Bijiantado I am from grade 12 Bernoulli. So come with me to learn what is test cross all about. So test cross is a type of genetic cross or method. It is purpose to determine the genotype of an organism that is unknown. So that shows a dominant phenotype that is unknown genotype. In a test cross manggod, the organism is crossed with a homozygous recessive individual. By observing the offspring, we can identify if the parent is a homozygous dominant or a heterozygous dominant. So now let's focus on test cross. I'll be explaining the two examples step by step para masayon masabtan. So hinay-hinay lang ta. And I'll be showing you the solution clearly. In our first example, we have a tall plant that is representing the dominant trait represented by the allele big letter T, or the recessive trait is in the recessive trait it represented by small letter p. So there is a question here. Is the tall plant is a homozygous dominant or a heterozygous dominant? So ang iyang gipangita nga genotype or the unknown genotype kung unsa siya, if is the homozygous dominant or a heterozygous dominant. So let's find out. To determine the genotype, we perform test cross. Sa test cross, always nato i-cross kung unsa iyang unknown organism with a homozygous dominant with a homozygous recessive ng organism. So atong i-cross kay tall plant and short plant nga nagdala og homozygous recessive. After the cross, we observe the offspring pasabot ana kay ang tall plant nagdala og recessive allele. That means dili siya homozygous dominant, no? Tan-awa. Ang gipangita niya kung ana ay homozygous recessive, which is small letter T rapuros. But here, it represent that is, it always, so big letter T or homozygous dominant, kay giparisan siya og recessive allele. But look at it. So, ang nigawa sa iyang Punnett square, kay 100% tall offspring ra siya. This means that the parent is a homozygous dominant. So, ang gipangita man ganina sa problem, kung naa ba siya recessive allele nga makita. So, this is case 1. So, we have case 2 here. So, there is recessive allele here, which is, or therefore, the genotype of the tall plant is a heterozygous dominant, which is big letter T and small letter t. Karon para mas masabtan pa jud ni siya, no, let's apply the same rule para mas klaro gihapon or mas klaro gyud. So in our problem number 2, we have here, or in our second example, we have here a black 4 is a dominant trait represented by allele big letter B, while the white 4 is recessive and represented by allele small letter b. So we have a genuine pig with a black 4, pero wala gihapon nakabalo kung unsa yang exact genotype. It can be either the homozygous dominant or the heterozygous dominant. So, to determine the genotype, we perform a test cross. Sa test cross, kay always nato i-cross ang unknown organism with a homozygous recessive. So, ang atoang i-cross first is here. Para mas masabtan ra gyud. So, we have here a dominant trait or the homozygous dominant and the recessive allele. but it shows that there is no white pig here because it shows only black for, am I right? Black. Yes, am I right? So this case 1 is not the genuine pig jud siya. Kaya there is no a white genuine pig that is show the recessive trait, no? This one. Did you observe? Observe gani. Ano siya? Nana siya recessive allele. So after observing the offspring, kaya naa siya short offspring, di ba? Tanawa, makita mo na ninyo kani. Kanang B na small. Pasabot ana nga ang tall plant nagdala siya og recessive allele. Karon nga masabtan na nato ang test cross, let's apply the same rule para masabtan na to, ha. Wait. Since white's offspring appeared naman, so nana siya offspring nga white, which is kaning recessive. It means that black genuine pig carries the recessive alleles B. Therefore, the genotype of the black pig is the heterozygous dominant, or big letter B and small letter b. So, the summarize sa test cross, no? So, let's summarize the test cross. If even one recessive offspring appears, the organism with a dominant trait is a heterozygous dominant. Kung walay recessive offspring, then the organism is the homozygous dominant. Mao gyud ni ang pinaka-importante sa rules, no? Ang importante sa rules, if naa kay makita nga usa ka recessive nga offspring, mao na siya ditso ang heterozygous dominant. If wala gani kay or ang dominant trait ra gyud ang imong makita, walay recessive allele, it is a homozygous dominant. So, thank you for watching, guys. I hope you learn a lot about what is test cross. So, see you in my next vlog, which is we will tackle Punnett square, monohybrid, and the hybrid cross. Bye-bye!